making her way backstage is Dutch. Dutch is a blue and gold macaw. The macaw I have here on my hand is Alfie. Alfie is a Miller bull. The green parrot that's already going backstage is Ollie. Ollie was a military macaw. And the beautiful red parrot at the top of the temple, that's Baron. Baron is a scarlet macaw. Now we like to bring these birds out to show you a small example of the great diversity of life that exists in the rainforest. In fact, nearly 50% of all living things can be found only there. But at the current rate of habitat destruction, many species are going extinct. However, there is hope for some endangered species through conservation programs, such as the ones for the California condor, the peregrine falcon, and the hyacinth macaw. Now, all the birds you've seen today on our show have special roles that they play in nature, and it's important to remember the role that we as humans must play, and that is protect this planet and all the creatures we share it with. So on behalf of Greg, Lisa, myself, and all of our favorite friends, we'd like to thank you for coming to the World of Birds, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of your day here at the Great Los Angeles Zoo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.